groove, I'ma show you how to move.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a workout with me video. I'm going to be bringing you guys with me to the gym, and we're going to work out together from start to finish. Detailed steps, how I do what I do, why I do what I do, every single step of the way. You guys will be there. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, then you wouldn't know, but I've been on my fitness journey for 6 months and I'm already down 43 pounds. I'm really close to getting to my goal weight, and I figured that now was the perfect time to start showing you guys a little bit more about my journey and what I've been doing in the gym and how I've been able to successfully lose weight and sustain the weight for the last 6 months. Today we're going to be going to one of my favorite gyms in Long Island called Onyx Fitness. This is actually going to be my second time going here. I'm really considering getting a membership, but I will keep you guys posted. It is primarily a weightlifting gym, so if you guys are starting out at a community gym like a Planet Fitness or a Blink Fitness, it's okay. You can still apply all of the workouts that I'm going to do today to the equipment that you have in your gym. You might have to make slight modifications, but we'll go over all of those things throughout the entirety of the video. But I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. Don't forget to like this video, comment what your favorite workout is right now, subscribe to this channel because I do post new videos every single Monday. I never miss a week, and follow my new fitness Instagram, which is on the screen. You guys can DM me at any time for free weight loss advice, any workout plans or meal plans that you guys need help building out for yourself. I have it all on my fitness page, and everything is free. I just want to help the girls get the bodies right. So make sure you guys are locked in with me because I'm locked in with you, and let's jump into this video.
I don't need to know the truth, baby.
Hey guys, so we're gonna start off with a little bit of cardio, just a quick 5-minute warm-up. We like to typically do an incline walk on the treadmill to get our hearts pumping, and honestly, I'm gonna keep it a stack. It helps my Celsius kick in, I don't know, but today all the treadmills were filled, so we had to do some rowing, and that's cool. I used to row a lot when I first started. I love rowing. It's a really underrated workout, but we're just gonna do this quick little 5 minutes, and then we're gonna jump right into our actual workout. Alright y'all, let's get right into the actual routine. So we're gonna start off with RDLs to squat presses. And what I recommend as a beginner in the gym or anyone in the gym, practice your form before you start getting, crazy, throwing the weights on, showing us you strong. Pack that up. You know what I'm saying? Just get that bar by itself and get the form right. And even my friend, she comes to me, she's like, girl, you gotta get wider and you gotta get some more depth on that squat, like BFFR. And I was like, you know what? I am gonna BFFR. No, I'm joking. But she was right, because once I did that, the entire movement just looked so much better. So I'm starting out with just 10s on this bar. Keep this in mind. These are 2 10s on a 45 bar. So you're looking at about 65 pounds that we're pushing up today, which is very impressive, especially because I'm just a girl. No, I'm playing. Girls are strong. But I'm really, working on my strength, especially my upper body strength. So here we go. We got the movement. We got the feel of the weight on. Now let's do this. Let's execute, okay? This workout is phenomenal because it targets your glutes, your hamstrings. You can see them hamstrings, baby. Okay? I know you see them hamstrings, okay? And I know you see that back. So it's going to go ahead and work out your entire body, literally back, biceps, shoulders, and lower body. So if you want that big booty, baby, keep doing this.
Grab me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set.
Now we're moving on to really the cheat code to a bunk bed booty. Like straight like that. It's an RDL. Can't get around it. I know RDLs are hard and a lot of people avoid them, but they really do just, I don't know, they eat down every time. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way you can perfect your RDL form. Not saying my form is, professionale, but definitely great RDL form if I do say so myself. So what you want to do is, one, go ahead and get on that barbell, okay? The dumbbell RDL is cool, but I do feel like it really should only be done by people that already have the form down packed. So if you're kind of still getting that together, get on that barbell, babe. Okay, don't be afraid to get on that barbell. So here's what you're gonna do. You are gonna make sure your back is straight. Your chin needs to be touching your chest, okay? That's gonna help to keep that spine nice and neutral and straight. So now you wanna make sure that your shoulders are actually in line with your foot placement, if that makes sense. You wanna move your feet to shoulder width, okay? Stay with me, sister. All right, so you're gonna do that. Now, you're going to lean forward at a 90-degree angle, but do not let that bar go too far past your knees, because then you'll be actually straining your back to get the bar up instead of using your glute muscles to get the bar up. Am I making sense? So you see, once the tip of my fingers touch my kneecap, babe, I'm coming back up. I'm like, oh, wait, no, we coming back up. Yeah. Now, you can see my hamstrings are fully engaged because that is what I'm using to get this bar up. We're not using our backs. We're definitely not using our arms. And if you do feel the movement in your back and your arms, then not going to yai, sister, you're probably doing it wrong. So definitely come up, squeeze that booty as you come up, and that is how you do the perfect RDL. Nothing crazy. Like, it's really not too hard. Just take your time, okay? Go light if you need to, but this is how you do it. This is how you're gonna get your shelf booty for the summer. You're gonna do hyperextensions with a weight, okay? You wanna slide these pads down, because this is actually adjustable. This little, I don't wanna call it a machine, but for lack of better words, this machine is adjustable. So you wanna slide the pads down right beneath your hip bone. All right, now you're gonna lean forward with the weight, and right when you feel your back arching, that is when you're going to stop and come back down. Okay, you're gonna stop and come back down. Yes, sister, you got that. You ate that one too. This really hurts, okay? Not hurts in a way where you're doing it wrong and you're getting injured, but you definitely feel this in that booty, and it's doing what needs to be done. This is also great for your hamstrings. And the one thing I will say as well, when you're doing this, slightly angle your feet a little bit outwards. Typically, when you do most glute movements, you want to angle, the tips of your toes. You want to angle them outwards. Like, people say like duck feet when people quote unquote walk like a duck. That is how you want your feet to look, okay? So you want to do that. And then my last set, I just do straight body weight to failure. And yeah, this definitely helps build the shelf, but I'm still building, babe, so don't judge me. Moving into some weighted squats. We're gonna do 35 on each side, so a total of 70 pounds, and we are going to get that thing up there. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start in a seated position on this machine, and you're gonna come up nice and slow. As you get to the top, you want to squeeze your butt together, really lock in that movement. I'm doing that thing, and let me tell you, it hurts, because look at my face. That's how you know you're doing it right. When you feel that pain, you feel your butt growing with every rep. Like, I'm being dramatic, but that's really how it feels. It's like, yo, my butt is dead growing. Every single time I come up, my butt just grew. Boom, it just grew. Watch my butt grow again. Boom, it just grew. Like, come on, sister, let's get it. Now let me stop playing. But yeah, this workout is great. If you don't have this squat machine, which most gyms don't, I'm not gonna lie, if you're starting out at like a community gym or something, probably doesn't have this machine. So what you can do is just hit a regular squat and just use some dumbbells. You can either place them on your shoulders, or you can hold some kettlebells, whatever it is that helps you get the weight on there, and you're just gonna literally do a squat. As long as you got that weight on there, you're gonna get the same effect. But this machine just makes it easier. So shout out to Onyx for all these great machines, because this gym is honestly amazing. I hate to see a girl go to the gym and not do her cardio, babe. Not an option here. We always make sure we do a 25-minute walk on the treadmill, or at least 25 minutes on the Stairmaster, and that completes our glute focused lower body workout today. And I just like to go to the mirror and look at myself sometimes, because this is God's work right here. Okay, here we are. We're practicing some posing because we needed pictures for our fitness pages. So make sure you guys follow our fitness pages. Ajani's page is going to actually be in the description box, but it's Ajani with 2 eyes.fit. So I'm going to put that below so you guys can follow my sister, because she makes great content as well. And she's really helped me get to where I am today in my fitness journey. So shout out to my girl, my homegirl. She eats down, body eating, bon appetiting. Duh, like what you thought. But we are just, you know, enjoying life with this whole process and understanding that without God and without faith, we would not have the strength and discipline needed to get to where we are. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a nice like below, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next Monday in a new video. Shout out to the fit girls.